Welcome back to another video, YouTube. You already know who it is and what it is, and we got the kids in the video on their tablets and Nintendo Switch. But guess what? I got a surprise for y'all. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. See what we got here. Oh, you say now, what are these? What are these, drumsticks? No.
Wow.
Let me show you. All right, about 3 months ago, somebody hit my bumper, scratched all that, I just sprayed over it. I ain't want to give them a hard time, and I ain't want my insurance to get on my behind. Now these are the replacements, but they're blacked out. Now, as you can see on that side, it's red, but we're gonna take that red out. Now, let me just slap one of these bad boys in and make sure I got the right side. Yes, I think that's the right side. It should slide in, just like so. Oh man, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I think it's the wrong side. Or the right side, let me know. Push it in. I think it go like that. I'll put that side in first. So I put that side in first. I gotta get that other side. Well, I'm very impressed. It looks good. I gotta slap the other one in, so I gotta get a flat head, because like I said, the left one, somebody hit my bumper and it cracked and fell out. Easy peasy. I put a new one in. It then the bumper wasn't cracked. The only thing that was cracked was the reflector itself. So the other one was easy to put back on. Good thing they ain't cracked my bumper. Now I'm gonna go put the other one in. Whew, blacked out bumper, no more red. And then we're gonna get the, I'm gonna tell y'all now. I ain't ordered it yet, but I'm gonna get the tint for the tail lights. It's like my car's all black. I just gotta get rid of that red. You'll still see it when it's time to brake, but I need that red, you feel me? And I took the old one out. I had to get a flat head to get this out because it was really stuck in there. We're gonna replace it with the new one. Let's put this out. So it's very easy. You slide that in first, and then that clips in. Hold this for me, Papa. And hold it to there, where you can see my hand in this. How did I do it? This way. Slide that in first. Alright. Other way. At the bottom. The little cheap leather that they had on here, you could literally pinch it and pull it. So I had to pull it off. I actually like the fabric that they got. See it over here as well. And, you know, it look a little better on that side. Alright, listen guys. I'm about to do a few quick alterations. This cheap leather they got inside here on these seats is peeling. So I'm gonna start on the other side where it's peeling real bad. Back seat. I've been cleaning the seats. I'm really cleaning these because this is real dirty. It's real dirty underneath once I took it off. Well, I already took it off when I got the vehicle. So what I'm gonna do is, I noticed it already had a couple tears in this material on the passenger seat. So I already started taking it off. You see, it's great material underneath. I don't know why they put that cheap fabric in these vehicles, man. It's supposed to be a special edition. Ain't nothing special about this material, man. It's fake rubber leather, whatever they want to call it. But we gonna get that sucker. It's like that. See, y'all see it. Actually has some pretty decent looking fabric underneath here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little custom look. So you can't always think you're messing it up, you feel me? I did this in the front seat, it actually came out good. I did it on the seats as well. Just gotta clean the material a little bit. It got like a little, some kind of dirt build up underneath there somehow. I don't know what they were using. So I just hit it like that. Any little excess pieces that might be sticking out like that, take that out. Take that out. Take out the parts you couldn't take out that got stuck. They give it a nice little custom look when people come in here. Like, ooh, you got some nice seats. You got the Acura seats. See, it got the little stain in the seat. I gotta clean that. You know what I'm saying? Get that out of here. And that thing looking real good. Man, I wouldn't have did this, but it's really cheap. It's like some real cheap rubber type fake leather that they use in here. But see, this part is real, you know, it's real firm and it's in there. But this part was cheap. They was being cheap with that part, this part right here. So I'm gonna just take that off. They got a nice little color to it. And let's say you gotta get all your little pieces. That way, it don't look too much like you just ripped off the fabric. Even though that's what we did, but you don't really want people to see that. That custom look, right? So you get all that that's stuck up in there, get that out of there. You do a job, you gotta make sure it's a clean job. It's all wedged up in there. Get that out of there. Give it to you, man. It's always a vision, you feel me? Bringing this 2012 back to life. More life. Oh, see, I done nicked it up at the top. See, that's that cheap material. I'm gonna end up ripping it off the top too and just have it go all the way down. You feel me? Yeah, that gotta come out. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now, but just leave it. That's pretty much it, gang. Just a little few alterations. I seen this when I looked back and I was like, nah, this gotta go. Something gotta be done. You want to be careful you ain't nicking up nothing else. Because I know y'all can see that. I nicked it. Woo. Y'all hear that, gang? Yes, sir. That good old V8, my boy. So far, I got the custom seat. I'm not going to mess with the top. Got to clean my Acura. But you see, this is real leather right here. Real leather. But that cheap stuff, on the side there, you see it's moving. That's cheap. I'm gonna take that out too. It's gonna have a real nice custom look. I'm gonna do the other side, but now right now the other side is actually immaculate. So I'm gonna leave it, but I'm gonna keep that custom look on this side and just clean the material, have it looking clean. Get that sucker out. You know what I'm saying? Get that custom look. Get that boy out of here. I'm gonna do something about that emblem on that steering wheel too. And then remember I said you gotta get all the little blemishes so it don't look like a rush job. See, now I can actually get that piece, this piece that was sticking out on there too. I'm gonna get that. Let's take that off for now. Like I said, you wanna get all that there so it's clean, like it has a clean line. going across. So now I'm gonna wipe that down, but as you can see, I got a nice little custom look. I wiped this down already. You can see it got a little wetness to it. But yeah, I got this down. It was real dirty, like real dingy. So still got some more work to do. I need to get like a clean white towel to soak all the dirt up out of the material. But so far it look great. You can see how fresh it look on this. I'm actually I'm gonna do the driver's side too. Custom look, baby. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and take that cheap mile off right now. I ain't gonna do one side and don't do the other. Cause at first I'm like, nah, there's nothing wrong with this side. I'm like, hey, why not? Just do both sides and get it out the way now. Right? Y'all feel me, right? So that's what we gonna do. We gonna get that bad boy out of here. Hold on, that head rest up, and I couldn't do it with one hand. We gonna get up in there. You really wanna get the line good, so you wanna tear it a certain way. You don't wanna really pull it towards you. You wanna kinda like push forward to get that up out of there, get that clean look. Come together real good, so I'm gonna wipe that joint down. Okay, we're gonna come down underneath the bottom, take across, kinda wanna pull it out a certain way where it don't leave any pieces, little pieces hanging out. So now we got that custom look going across, so it's like a one sleeve, because I'm gonna keep the other side. The other side has great material. This is great material. So we're gonna keep that. Just had to get that custom look. So for people that's sitting in the back, they can see it. I'm not really gonna see the back of the seat. But now they can see I got a custom look going on here. I'm not gonna clean that too much. I'm gonna just leave it as it is, you know? But that's great. Y'all let me know in the comment section. And also, y'all see them brake pedals and the paddles. Let me know if y'all want me to change them out. Look on Amazon or Google and get some new pedals. Cause I ain't gonna lie, the gas accelerator pedal be blowing me, son. But yeah, we gonna clean this one more time. Get it right. So far, we looking good though, gang. Yeah, that's how we doing. See, that's all the trash from the other side. We gonna go ahead and do this side too. I just had that thought in my head. I'm like, man, you did one side, do the other. So we gonna do this together. Trap Squad, we gonna do this together. Give it a custom look. People come in here, man, they like, man, you got some custom seats in this joint. They didn't tell me I was paying for a premium ride. You know what I'm saying? Tear that all the way down. Got that custom look. See, they hiding that look underneath there with this cheap fabric. This cheap rubber leather, whatever they want to call it. What I'm gonna do is take that out, get some fabric cleaner or something like that, and get it and bring it back to life, give it more life. That's what we doing. You gotta get all the little blemishes. Boom. Now you got a custom look. See what I'm talking about? Got that custom look. Hiding this beautiful fabric underneath that cheap leather, man. Beautiful fabric. Remember I said you gotta get up in there. You gotta get all that. If I can see it, you can see it. Get that all. You know what I'm saying? You want a clean job. It's up in there. Gotta get that. Yeah, that's good. We did a good job on that. See, that bit right out. Got that custom look. I would do these door handles, but they're actually in great shape. So I'm not gonna mess with it. It looks really good over there. I just gotta clean them seats, man. But so far, boom, new upgrade. You see how I did it? You see it in the front. But I'm gonna touch up on this. This need to be trimmed down more. So I'm gonna get the wire cutters and just clip this, cause this is fine right here going straight across, but then it get a little lumpy right there. So you wanna get the little blemishes. But yeah, y'all see I got that snake skin, that real leather, and then I got it on the other side as well. Yeah, I'm gonna touch up on it. I got more fabric here since they got the car. That is like some PPF. They ain't never take this off. I couldn't take them off on the front, so I'm gonna try to take it off here. It's coming off real easy. I'm gonna peel them together so it's not a tear. I'm gonna try to see how far I can go. Start going. This joint brand new. Peel that all the way off. That joint brand new for real. You want to be successful? You want to be great? You want all the riches? Hold on. Did you put in the work? Did you grind? Did you go get a 9 to 5? Did you put in the long, hard hours? Did you study long nights, long days, in and out? Did you work them 2-3 jobs? What was your sacrifice? Where's your consistency? You say you want to do this, you say you want to do that, but I don't see no results. Day in and day out, you still doing the same thing you was doing yesterday. What about all them big plans you had? What happened? Change your mind? Too hard? You can't do it? In this life we live, nothing easy. You gotta push through them gates. Remember this. You always gotta have faith in God. You always gotta believe in yourself. Stop giving up so easy. What's wrong with you, man? Yeah, I see. You said it's real carbon?
Yeah, it's real carbon.
Damn, $5 grand for that one. That's tough. I know he must have won a lot of races. I like the steering wheel on there too.
Probably.
This one open?
Yeah, it should be.
Wow. Right in my living room floor. How y'all feel about that? Life with OG. Yeah, dude. This one is nice. I got an S on the side. I wonder what that means.